This center was started in 2011, and the purpose was for Anderson University students to have a building where they could do cancer research.
And the purpose is to try to give the opportunity for students to experience really the state-of-the-art cell biology. That's the goal that we've had all along.
That was our dream for so many years, to have a center of cancer research, and finally we didn't have to go elsewhere to do it. We could be right here on our campus next to this big hospital to do cancer research.
Well, there are very few places actually that are undergraduate institutions that have the ability to teach cell biology at the level that we are here in our department. We have the opportunity to teach how to grow cancer cells as a technique. Cell tissue culture technologies are going to be a very important thing for the future. A lot of therapies, I think, in medicine are going to be cell-based technologies. So having the ability to grow cells and understand the limits and the opportunities associated with this technology firsthand will give our students an opportunity to compete in professions in medicine and in the sciences. Slip those out in yeah, we'll let you please.
I would say that it's really beneficial for anybody who wants to go into the medical profession or even just a PhD program, because schools want to see that you have experience. They want to see that you've kind of dabbled in research, and the equipment that we have here, I mean, just the tissue culture equipment and the microscopes that we have are really equipment that you wouldn't normally see at an undergraduate school.
I believe that this center offers a lot of opportunities to our Anderson University students. This center has a lot of potential for the future.
We're offering the opportunity for cells to be grown so students can actually understand how to grow cells, and with that resource be able to actually test hypotheses, check to see if we understand the biology, and also be able to evaluate the different therapeutic regimens that might be developed by some of the compounds that we're curious about, and able to actually make measurements to see the action, the actual type of mechanism involved.
I see it growing. I see more and more professors getting interested in it, involved with the Center for Cancer Research. And the beauty of this institution is to show students to believe in themselves, to show them that hard work will bring wonderful fruits at the end, and make them feel important, make them feel, you know, like they're somebody, and the research, if done properly, will end up getting published and recognized all around the world.
It is our hope that this center will be a resource for this part of South Carolina to help train the next generation of medical professionals, to give them the opportunity to provide services and actually have the high-end skills that they'll need to actually be able to treat medicine at the level that we can imagine for ourselves. Do we have the opportunity to see personalized medicine and cell-based technologies kind of emerge as a real possibility here in the generation that we're now training in the current professional lives of our students, that these will be skills that hopefully we will have initiated here as a training here at Anderson, and it will have a lasting impact on this state and in this community.
So here we plant the seed at Anderson University. We test different plants, different compounds that we have collected in countries abroad or Florida. And later on, some students will see that their products from this little research that we do here will end up saving some lives. And I believe that, we are just a drop in a humongous ocean, but that drop is needed for the drug of choice to be discovered. Without the donors, none of this would have happened. We wouldn't have been able to buy the equipment, to buy the media, to buy the cell lines, the cancer cell lines. All the support that we're getting from the outside makes this cancer center run. So we are very, very grateful to the donors, without whom none of this would be happening.